Hey there, furballs! Today we will be looking at the money behind the AI chatbot wars. Amazon splashed out $2.75 billion in March on some hotshot AI startup called Anthropic. And trust me, this is the game changer no one saw coming. Yeah, you heard me right. 2.75 freaking billion. Bezos and his band of merry tech wizards are doubling down on generative AI. They already threw 1.25 billion at these guys last September. But nope, that wasn't enough. They're chucking another fat stack of cash to stay ahead in this tech arms race. It's kind of like stocking up on blasters before a showdown in the Galactic Federation. Anthropic, for those of you living under a Martian rock, is duking it out with OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini Ultra. They've got this chatbot called Claude. Not to be confused with that lazy neighbor Claude who never returns your power tools. No, this Claude is supposed to be the next big thing in AI, supposedly out-muscling GPT-4. Yeah, they're claiming it's faster and smarter, just like I always say I am after a few shots of double-strength catnip. So why is Amazon getting its knickers in a twist over this? Well, it's simple. AWS doesn't want to get left in the digital dust. Anthropic's using AWS as its primary cloud provider and Amazon chips to train their fancy schmancy models. Sounds like a match made in AI heaven. Meanwhile, Microsoft's cozying up to OpenAI with a cool $13 billion throwdown, got nearly half the equity in OpenAI, and is powering it up with Azure. They've basically turned ChatGPT into a weapon aimed straight at Google. Google fired back with $2 billion on the table for Anthropic. Then there's Perplexity, popping up in 2022 with a bunch of AI nerds from Meta and OpenAI. They wrangled $165 million from the likes of Jeff Bezos and Nvidia, shooting their valuation past $1 billion in no time. Talk about striking gold. All these tech giants are throwing wads of cash around like it's monopoly money. Why? Because they know there's dosh to be made and disaster to avoid. AI is going to crank up their cloud services revenue one way or another. Hell, it's like these guys found a cheat code for infinite lives. Oh, and get this. The feds, yeah, those buzzkills at the FTC are sniffing around these deals, worried about some shady round-tripping business. Apparently, if you funnel dough back into your cloud biz and call it revenue, they get all uppity. But Amazon swears it's all above board, and who am I to argue, right? So what's the takeaway here? Amazon's rolled the dice big time, largest in their 30-year run, on this Anthropic operation. They're betting that generative AI is going to transform everything, just like I transformed that cat scratcher into the statue of David. So keep your peepers open, furballs. This AI race ain't slowing down, and you better believe it's going to change the tech landscape faster than you can say sesquipedalian loquaciousness. Later, nerds. Stay smart, or at least try not to get dumber. That's all for now, you lovable degenerates. Stay smart, stay skeptical, and don't trust the first droid peddling glimmering AI promises. Smash that subscribe button or don't, I don't care. Either way, catch you in the next awesome broadcast. Red out. And if you want to watch more, the algorithm thinks you'll enjoy this next video.